Hey guys, Salam Alaykum. So first I'll say Eid Mubarak because I'm actually doing this video on Eid. I'm leaving Saudi Arabia in a few hours, so I thought to quickly do a Umrah packing list for those of you who are planning to go on Umrah for the first time, like a guide on the things you need. And also this is my first Umrah, so the mistakes that I made, the things I should have brought with me. So I'll be taking you guys through everything. Please guys, I'm really trying to grow my YouTube channel, so if you could take 1 second of your time to just click on the subscribe button, I would be really grateful. Like that would be the best gifts, Eid gifts. So please just take 1 second of your time to click on the subscribe button. Thank you. So the first thing, very important thing I would say, is your THRAM outfits. For men, you have this white outfit that you have to wrap around your body, and for the women you can wear black, you can also wear white. One mistake I made was I thought that you have to wear only white or black. Yeah, I brought a blue outfits, but I felt like to be too flashy. You can bring like any cool color you like, but that's just for the Umrah. That was one mistake I made. The Umrah is just for like few hours, so we came to Saudi Arabia for 10 days, last 10 days of Ramadan, so the Umrah is not for the whole of the 10 days. So that was one mistake I made as a beginner. I thought that, oh, I'm going to leave all my flashy outfits in Amsterdam, because I would have brought I have a kimar of this color. I could have come with my kimar, honestly. So the whole of the journey is not Umrah. Umrah is just like a few hours. Then the other days you have like your other ibadah, you want to do tawaf or other things that you want to do. But men, I think you have to wear white, whether you are doing Umrah or, because if you want to enter the Masjid al-Haram, for men you have to be on the Hiram. If not, you're not going to be allowed entry. So for women, for the Umrah, for performing Umrah, I'll say like bring a black kimar or a black abaya or something. If you want to wear white, that's also totally fine. And apart from your ihram clothes, for every other days, I would say you should bring like at least like 3 abayas. The mistake I made, I didn't really prepare very well. I got like just 2 abayas. But you can just come with 3 abayas because you're coming to the land of abayas, so you can always buy, you can always stock up. Like this one I'm wearing, I got it here. I got like 3 other ones also in Saudi when I realized that, man, my abayas were not enough for this trip. So I would say call me like at least 3 abayas, depending on how long you're staying. If you're staying like 2 weeks, I would say 5 abayas. You could just bring 3 and buy like others here. So the next thing is flip-flops. I got this one. You can get this at Primark, like very cheap, in a supermarket. So I got that, but you could also get this type on the screen. My roommates, and I feel like it was really more comfortable than this flat one. It has this cushion like that makes your feet really comfy. So get flip-flops for sure. And I would say change money already. I feel like you can also change money here if you don't mind, but at least have like some change, get some money exchange already to Riyal, Saudi Riyal. When I came, I didn't have any Saudi Riyal. Like I didn't even withdraw euro. Like that was how bad I was at my planning. I just came with my card. So first I had to, the charges, I had to withdraw money, then change it. And if you already have a budget of how much you want to spend in Saudi, so you bring your Saudi Riyal with you already, please exchange your money. I think that's very important. So I would also say bring a backpack. Thankfully, I came with a group from the UK. It's called Zuglul. So they gave us this backpack on the first day. In it we have the face mask, we had what else? Yeah, we had a white hijab for ladies, which was really nice. So I would say just get a backpack like this. Just this is very cheap, very light and basic thing. It's very useful. Every night when I went to Masjid al-Haram for tawaf, it's usually so full, so I'll just put this on my back or in front of me, I have my water bottle there. I have everything in it, so it's very easy. Instead of like carrying handbags and stuff, like just get a backpack. It's very comfy. During tawaf, people are pushing, squeezing, like, but with this, I'm good. So I never had any problems with that. So please get a backpack. Another thing I would say you should get is a water fan. I actually didn't get this, but my roommates, that girl, she came prepared. So she got this. It's foldable. It's actually really nice. I think this will be really useful like during tawaf, during the day. During the day, the sun is really hot. Like it's really hot in Saudi. So this is a water fan. You have water here. So it's different from the ordinary fan. But even when you go to Masjid al-Haram, they have this very big fans with water. It splashes water on your body. So Saudi is really, really hot. She said she got this in the UK. So you can just get a water fan. It's be really useful for you, except you do not plan to like do anything during the day, because some people actually like cool down during the day and go in the night for tawaf. But for me, I feel like the afternoon is one of the best times because people are hiding from the sun, so you get most use of it. So get a water fan. I think it's foldable and really portable, nice. So I would also say get socks. I didn't get socks. So when we were doing Safa and Marwa, like we have to walk Safa and Marwa 7 times, and even in the mosque, like when you get into Masjid al-Haram, you can't wear your flip-flops, you can't wear your slippers or anything. So you have to walk barefoot. So one mistake I made was I could have come with my socks, because people came with socks, and I think with socks it's really more comfortable, like walking around and doing all that works. So come with like maybe 2 pair or 3 pair of socks. Then for first aid, come with paracetamol. Like I'm not a drug person, so trust me, if I say come with paracetamol, then come with paracetamol. My roommates, bless her, she had paracetamol. I didn't bring paracetamol, but I had times where I had headache, because maybe from the sleepless nights, because every night I had to go to the haram to do tawaf and qiyam al-layl. So I would say come with paracetamol for first aid, you know. Then you can also come with a flat, comfortable sandal, something like simple like this to wear from your hotel to Masjid al-Haram. It's very hot. Not a covered shoe, like a sandal like this. But another mistake I made was it's too flat. You know, my roommate had one. I don't know if it's around. I'm going to try to put a picture on the screen now. She had one that has a cushion and it's really comfortable. Get a sandal. This is different from the flip-flops. The flip-flops is like when you're inside your hotel or stuff. But for this one, when you're going out, so don't get a too flat sandal. Get something with a cushion. Then I would say get a universal charger. We're lucky that in my hotel they have 2 types of plugs, so I could use my European charger. But I would say, to be on the safer side, you never know. Like I don't know if it's a general thing that the hotels do. So I would say get a universal plug, so that you can charge your phone no matter which plug you're using. You're not going to be stuck, you know. So get a universal charger. Another thing is get earphones. Maybe you want to listen to Quran or you want to make calls. You can get this one has a microphone. So when I make calls, I just feel like it's more comfortable. But you can also get like the Apple AirPods, like just microphone. Sorry, I said microphone. Earphones. You know, something that you can make calls with, listen to your Quran and stuff like that. So that's really nice to get. Then if you're someone that's really sweaty, you know, during Umrah you cannot use any perfume except for men. For ladies, you cannot use any perfumed products, no perfumed cream, no like deodorant, no perfume. So I think there's some no perfume deodorants that you can get only for the period you're doing your Umrah. That's like 2 hours or 3 hours thereabouts. But for other days that you're not doing Umrah, you can actually use your normal deodorants. I didn't get this zero perfume deodorant anyway, you know. So whenever I had to do my Umrah, I just, you know, I make sure I don't use any perfumed thing on my body. But if you're a very sweaty person and if you're going to be doing your Umrah in the very hot weather, you may want to get a deodorant that has no perfume. So very important, very important. I would say get a sunscreen. Totally get a sunscreen, sis, especially if you're a lady. Please get a sunscreen. Saudi is very hot. I keep saying it's very hot. I came with my sunscreen, which was 30 SPF. That's not enough. I would say get 50 SPF. Neutrogena has like 70 SPF. With a 30, 50, just get a sunscreen, please. It's really hot to protect your skin during the day. But remember that when you're going for your Umrah, if it's perfume, then you can't use it. But for every other days, then you can, you know, use it. Then also get sunglasses. Sunglasses is very useful. The weather is very hot. I keep saying that. I've said this 50 times. Saudi is very hot. You see people wearing glasses during tawaf or anything. It's not for fashion. It's to protect your eyes and stuff from the sun. So totally get a glasses. Very important. Get a water bottle. I think I mentioned it. Excuse me. I think I mentioned when I mentioned my backpack. I got this at Primark also, and every time I go to THRAM, I fill it with my Zamzam water, so that I drink like before iftar or sahur. Now we're not fasting anymore. Today's Eid, so get a water bottle. This is big, but it fits into my backpack. There's something that can fit into your backpack. Then the last thing I want to say is, like, we came in a group, right? So I went to another room and they had like their fridge stocked up with fried meats, stew, like a frozen stew. I felt like that was really nice. Though we came with a group and they provided our sahur and iftar every day, like really good Nigerian food, from amala to rice, jollof rice. Like, it was really good. I feel like if you're not coming in a group, I really like what they did. If you're not even coming with a group, I think that'd be very good for you. Instead of buying food every day, you could come with like frozen stew, your meat and stuffs. That was really superb. Also, one misconception is that women cannot use their skincare. Like I said, only during when you're going for Umrah, you can't use any perfume products, so just go, leave it out. But I came with my skincare. For every other day I'm not doing Umrah, I, you know, take care of my face and stuff before I go to bed and all of that. I think I covered everything, but if I'm just a newbie and this is my first experience, so I'm talking from everything I've learned, the mistakes I've made, and what I will do better next time I'm coming, inshallah. So if you've been coming for Umrah and you feel like I didn't say anything essential, like I omitted anything essential, please, for the sake of others, kindly drop it in the comment section. Like, let everyone like learn from it. And I just want to say that if you plan to go on Umrah, may Allah make it a beneficial one for you and your family. If you're still like intending, may Allah make it come sooner than you expect, inshallah. Like, it's a really nice experience, and I hope that every Muslim gets to experience it. May Allah accept all our dua and fast, inshallah. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.